Pani-Puri
Permanent
vendor also earns a lot of money.
but no permanent income. 200 to
How much you'll pay?
the
Court had granted 8,000 as maintenance. The court below had failed to consider the income of the husband.
is my lordship.
Chief petitioner,
Impulse order is annexure A. Interim maintenance is ordered for
How much is granted?
8,000, my lordship.
What is your income?
My income, I'm a Pani-Puri vendor as admitted by the respondent itself. She itself kindly pays me for
Pani-Puri vendor also he earns a lot of money. What is the income?
my income is 200 to 300 per day.
Oh, you are calculating now.
No, 200 to 300 per day.
Huh?
Pani-Puri, my lordship.
That's what I'm saying.
There's no
Pani-Puri
permanent
vendor
income,
also earns a lot of money.
but no permanent income. 200 to
How
300.
much you'll pay?
I'm ready to pay 4,000.
Huh?
4,000.
When is the petition filed?
My lordship, application is filed on 26/8/2023.
26/8?
2023 in a divorce petition filed by the
So almost 12 months.
please, my lord.
By this August it would be.
Please.
The land counsel, the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a Pani-Puri vendor and his income is 200 per day, and the court had granted 8,000 as maintenance. The court below had failed to consider the income of the husband, and it's difficult for him to pay the same. Considering the submission of the land counsel, there shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that he shall continue to deposit an amount of rupees 4,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears for 12 months at 48,000 within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order, either the amount by 5th of every month or this amount is not deposited. In either of the cases, the stay granted by this court stands vacated. And on such deposit, the wife is entitled to withdraw the money. Petition is there a same notice on the counsel for the respondent before the court below and shall file a memo by 1st of August, post this matter on 27th August.